Introducing Lindo. He's our on-site geologist working with Jacques Barrel, who's our QP. We've got a 63-metre hole here, which is at a 45-degree angle into the Blesberg Hill, is that right? Into the pegmatite?
Yes, that's correct.
We're just going to quickly take you through the geology for the shareholders and all the people that are interested in why we've got different zones and why we've got a little change in our thinking. So from the top here, Lindo, I guess we've got messed up stockpile, so we've gone from 0 to 3 metres pretty quick, it's hard to drill that.
Yes.
And then we're into the base rock here, the granodiorite, is that right?
Yes, base rock, yes, it's the granodiorite. Basically, you have the granodiorite with pegmatite and the granodiorite in that order. The granodiorite is the host rock of the actual ore we are looking at.
Yeah. We can see the mica coming out as well in certain fractures.
Yes, and you have a lot of those. It's just because it's flying, it's sort of sheet-like, so it is flies, paper sheets, something like that. Yeah.
Okay, and as we get deeper down, so we're at sort of 20 metres here, and as you can see now, let's say, so this is telling you how deep we are.
Yes.
So around about 30 metres, we're starting to come into our first ore zone, the first pegmatite.
Yes.
And the spodumene.
Yes, basically, you get different minerals, but on different zones because the crystallization, it crystallizes from the sides coming in. Yeah? So you'll get different minerals on different zones. Your spodumene, it mainly occurs because you have now the border zone, the wall zone, then the middle zone, the inner zone. So it basically starts within the middle and the inner zone as you are coming.
With different pulses of water, or hot water.
Yes, basically, that's that. And we also get some weathering in other areas, but it did not affect much. It's just there and there. You don't find it in all the holes where you get your product affected.
And we can see the weathering, the feldspar here, which is also valuable. So you can see that's turning to kaolin.
Yes.
But the feldspar itself is a valuable material. And back into the granodiorite, we now know that this contains grade.
Yes.
Because of a second pulse of water.
Yes, basically, because initially when we did the first test, we just did 1 meter of the granodiorite, but after we've seen the result that we do have lithium values in the granodiorite, we went in and 2 more meters into the granodiorite.
Which is why Jacques thinks we've got a bigger resource now.
Yes, basically.
Okay, and as we go deeper, we're 45 meters here, we're back into another zone.
Yes.
So that's about a 3 meter zone, again, of spodumene.
And you'll notice the change in color. You see this one is a bit brownish. That's your columbar tantalite stuff, tantalum stuff.
Is this tantalite here, the black?
Yes, basically you brownish, dark stuff, but this one is not highly concentrated, so that's why you see the whitish of some sort. And you see the other areas are sort of the green where your spodumene occurs, where you see the greens and all of that. It's the different minerals we say, they sort of crystallize at the different zones, different zones, yes. So yeah, you get the granodiorite, then back into the pegmatite and the granodiorite again.
And again, this is where we've now sampled 4 to 5 meters into the granodiorite because we know we have value.
Yes.
And you can still see some fractures, can't you?
Yes.
So the quartz, a little bit of tantalum.
Yes.
And then the total depth, so you ran another 4 or 5 meters and we ended up at 63 meters for this hole.
Yes.
Okay.
Because we were through the pegmatite. So, yeah.
Well, that's a quick explanation of the zones we have. Thank you, Lindo. We have, and as you can see, our brand new core sheds, so everything's stacked out. Metal trays so they don't rot. Everything's logged, the year, the hole, and then the box number. And each meter or each sampling is measured with the yellow core tray markers.
Yes.
Lindo, thank you very much. Keep up the good work, my friend.
Thank you. You're welcome.